Alright guys, so today when I come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup of my new CARABC Magic Box, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, so let's go and take a look at it. So what's cool is this will let you access like YouTube, Netflix wirelessly. So here's what it looks like. Cool. Alright. And then it has two options for it. So if your card has like a Type-C port, or if it has a standard USB port, it has it as well. And then it also comes with the user manual, and it should be a pretty simple setup. All you gotta do is plug it in to here and then into the vehicle. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it works. All right, so I got the Magic Box plugged in and connected to my phone through both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So now let's see how it actually works. So once you connect it, you'll see you'll have access to that Apple CarPlay. Then it'll load your Android 11 on there. What's cool about that is you can actually run apps outside of just YouTube and Netflix. So this is what it looks like once it loads. As you can see, there's some pre-installed apps on there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to that settings and then hook it up to your phone's hotspot right through here. So one of the first things that I'm going to load is obviously my favorite that you can do on your car is going to be YouTube. So as you can see, it loads it up right away. So go ahead and look up some music that we can play so you can hear that it is playing directly from the speakers in the vehicle. And if you didn't want to rely on any hotspot, you can use a micro SD card in the back to play any offline music or videos, which comes in really handy. So let's hear it.
Fresh off a tour, bro, I'm ready for the sermon. Every chance I get, I gotta make it back to service. I'm just trying to listen to the preacher, but here come the deacon who be asking for a feature. Worship come on and I'm popping my collar.
So as you can see, that was really smooth and sounds really good directly from the Magic Box. So let's go ahead and try out Netflix as well. So as you can see, once you tap that button, it'll load it just like you normally would. Then all you have to do after that is go ahead and click on either get started or log in. Then you'll be good to go after that. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the Apple wireless CarPlay portion of it. As you can see, I got Apple Maps loaded and it's quick with no lag, even when I zoom in or move around the map. So I'm going to go ahead and also load audiobooks. In the Audible app, you can see it's easy to play and pause. Everything feels smooth.
Who believes the world sends you all sorts of messages if you're paying attention. After Mason moved in, I went over for supper one night and the two of us just sat there for a few moments thinking.
So that's a quick rundown of the Magic Box. Lets you access all the apps that you normally would have in a wired setting. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for a wireless CarPlay Android Auto, Netflix, YouTube adapter, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. I highly recommend.